So if I go through the different steps of rank correlation, I can very well say they are as follows. First, assign rank to the different items of the series. Two series would be given. Right now we are dealing with the variables where the correlation is calculated, and there are two variables. We are not dealing with more than two variables. Multiple correlation right now we have not taken into study. We are dealing with two relationship between two variables. So the step one is to assign ranks to the different items in both the series X and Y. Second, you have to find out the difference between the two ranks. If R1 you have given the name for the first and R2 for the second, then R1 minus R2. Irrespective of the sign, doesn't matter. Find out the difference of the rank and let it be you denoted by T. Square the difference, give the another column D square, and then use the summation of the deviation of this squares of this summation in the formula of the rank correlation. So the method, because it was developed by Spearman, and will apply the same concept of the range, that is +1 to -1, the value will always lie between it, as it was in the Karl Pearson, right? What happened in the Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation? Remember, the value of R always lie between -1 to +1. It cannot be less than -1. It cannot be more than +1. The logic we talked about earlier. Similarly, in the case of the rank correlation also, the rank correlation will always lie between -1 to +1. Let us assume there is a numerical where the participants were there in certain competition, and this competition, when the participants, they were given some values, that is the running and swimming. These are the five parts. You can see on the screen that there are 5 participants, and based on their running and based on their swimming, the ranks are given to them by the judges. Now, if someone asks you, is there any relationship between a running and the swimming of the two activity of any participant? The person or the participant who run good is also good in swimming, or vice versa. Can you say like that? Now, if the question says that to find out the relationship between these two variables, what has to be done? Correlation has to be found. जब भी कोई बात होती है कि इन दोनों के बीच में कोई रिलेशनशिप है क्या डेटा का, जैसे हमने बोला कि क्या जो कंटेस्टेंट अच्छा दौड़ता है वो स्विम भी बहुत अच्छा करता है, या जो स्विमिंग में बहुत अच्छा है वो बहुत अच्छा दौड़ता भी है। अगर किसी ने ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछा इस गिवन डेटा पर, तब हमारे क्लिक करना चाहिए कि इसके मतलब है हमें जो दो वेरिएबल्स है रनिंग और स्विमिंग, इसके बीच में हमें क्या निकालना है? इसके बीच में हमें कोरिलेशन निकालना है, क्योंकि कोरिलेशन ही बता पाएगा कि हाँ ये दोनों कोरिलेटेड हैं। और जब हम कोरिलेशन निकालेंगे तो बता सकते हैं, अगर पॉजिटिव आया कि यस इट इज पॉजिटिव, जो स्विमिंग बहुत अच्छी कर रहा है वो रनिंग बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है। अगर नेगेटिव आ गया यार तो हम कहेंगे नो 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 कोई रूल नहीं है, जो स्विमिंग में अच्छा है वो रनिंग में खराब है, रनिंग में अच्छा है वो स्विमिंग में खराब है। तो ये दोनों एक दूसरे से उल्टे रिलेशन, इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप में। और अगर r की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करने पर 0 आ गई तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? बोथ ऑफ द वेरिएबल्स दे डू नॉट हैव एनी रिलेशनशिप। Who is good in running does not necessarily is good in swimming. The person who is good in swimming need not necessarily is good in running if r comes 0. So r के बेसिस पे हम दोनों जो एक्टिविटीज हैं उन दोनों को रिलेशनशिप रिलेट कर सकते हैं। बट डेटा किस फॉर्म में गिवन है? जजेस ने डेटा किस फॉर्म में दिया? कंटेस्टेंट्स को मार्क्स तो दिए नहीं, क्या दिया है? रैंक दिए। जब रैंक दी होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? कार्ल पियर्सन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ कोरिलेशन नहीं निकालते, हम निकालते स्पीयरमैन रैंक कोरिलेशन। स्पीयरमैन रैंक कोरिलेशन का हम फॉर्मूला पढ़ चुके हैं, 1 माइनस, ऑलवेज कीप दिस डेटा इन द ब्रैकेट, समेशन टी स्क्वायर एन मतलब नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन एन स्क्वायर माइनस 1। डू दिस कैलकुलेशन, व्हाटएवर जो आउटपुट आता है उसको 1 में से माइनस करके आर की वैल्यू अच्छी, राइट? So let us perform this. So what are the ranks that people have given you? See, running में जो rank मिली है, instead of writing the name, it is there on the screen. So I'm just putting it contestant 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 5 contestants, right? The rank running में जो मिला है rank, they are 5, 2, 4, 1, and 3. According to the swimming, the rank which is given is 3, 1, 5, 2, 4. ये rank दे रखा है already. तो हम सिंपल फॉर्मूले में डी निकालेंगे। डी क्या था? हियर वी हैव टोल्ड यू डी इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन रैंक फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड। डजंट मैटर नेगेटिव आता है पॉजिटिव, आप R2 माइनस R1 भी कर सकते हो, इट्स योर चॉइस। सो दिस इज रनिंग का रैंक है, हमने इसका R1 नाम दिया। स्विमिंग का रैंक है, हमने इसको R2 नाम दिया. What I'm supposed to do it? I'm just need to subtract and calculate D. Simple. Simple. हम 5 minus 3 will do. 2 minus 1. Simple. 4 minus 5. Go with negative sign. Doesn't matter. 1 minus 2. Minus 1. 3. Put it as it is. Do not use absolute value. Because why? Because in the formula we are using square. जब square करते तो negative value अपने यहाँ भी positive हो जाती है. तो d square, square of this, square of this, square of this, square of this. So simple. Add these values. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, comes summation of the d square comes 8. Equal. This comes 8, right? Put it in the formula. R is equal to, let's put it away. R is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square multiplied by 8. What is n? How many observations? There are 5 contestants. So 5 square of 5 minus 1. Simple. Do this calculation and find out the value of R. 1 minus, perform this exercise first. Perform this exercise repeatedly because we have seen students making mistakes over here. Perform this exercise first using the Boltzmann concept. So here you will get 2 upon 5. That is 1 minus 2 upon 5, it comes and the value comes 0.6. It gives 0.4. 2 upon 5 gives 0.4. 1 minus 0.4, 0.6. Because no sign is there. R is coming plus. This value is coming positive. This 1 minus 0.4. See, will give you positive value. So what I got? The value of R. What is R? Sorry, it is rank. Sorry, this is my mistake. It has to be capital. Remember, it is capital R. What is capital R? Capital R is Spearman rank correlation. What was small r? Small r was coefficient of correlation, Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. We'll stick to this notation. It's capital R, right? So if I get capital R plus 0.6, what does that mean? It has two out. Result has to be read in the two different ways. First is sign, other is magnitude. What is sign? Sign is positive. Sign is positive between two variables. These two variables. What were these two variables? Running और swimming पे काम कर रहे थे. तो running और swimming में अगर positive correlation आया, इसका मतलब the person who is good in running is also good in swimming. In this case, when with respect to this data, need not necessarily it goes same in everywhere. So with respect to this contestant, with respect to this data, what I concluded is generally it is seen based on this data. I can say who is good in running is good in swimming, and the person who is good in swimming is also good in running. Point 1. Point 6. What does this point 6 magnitude says? It says about strength of association between these two. How strong? It is 0.6. If it had been 0.9 means more stronger. 0.9, 0.8 more stronger. 0.4 less stronger. Positive correlation है but strength बहुत strong नहीं है. Strength vary करती है इस magnitude से. So 0.6 is towards strong. So I can say there is a strong relationship between these two variables, and the correlation, rank correlation is plus 0.6. This is a